আসসালামু আলাইকুম সুপ্রিয় দর্শক মণ্ডলী, আশা করি সবাই বেশ ভালো আছেন। আজকে আমরা মেকানিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং এর বেশ কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কোশ্চেন এবং তার অ্যান্সার নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। দেখা যায় ম্যাক্সিমাম টাইমে ভাইভাতে গেলে এই ধরনের কোশ্চেন করা হয়। তো আপনাদের জন্য আজকে আমি 25টি কোশ্চেন এবং তার অ্যান্সার নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি। তো আশা করি ভিডিওটি সবার ভালো লাগবে। তো চলুন দর্শক, চলে যাই ভিডিওতে। হোয়াট ইজ মেকানিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং? Mechanical engineering is the branch of engineering which deals with the designing, constructing, maintaining and manufacturing in various mechanical systems. 2 number question. What is the difference between machine and engine? Engine converts heat energy to mechanical energy, but machine converts all forms of energy to mechanical energy except heat energy. 3 number question. What is pump? What is turbine? What is the difference between the turbine and the pump? Pump is a device which transfers mechanical energy to the fluid energy. The turbine does the opposite. It transfers the flow energy of the fluid to mechanical energy. 4 number question. What are turbo machines? Turbo machines are devices which transfer energy to or from the fluid by the dynamic action of rotating blades. 5 number question. What is the difference between the centrifugal pump and positive displacement pump? In centrifugal pump, the flow rate change with the head, but in a positive displacement pump, the flow rate remains the same. 6 number question. What is the difference between the heat engine and heat pump? Heat engine produces work and transfer energy from high temperature to low temperature source medium. In a heat pump, external work is needed to transfer energy from low to high temperature medium. 7 number question. What is the difference between in impulse turbine and reaction turbine? In impulse turbine, all the pressure energy is converted to kinetic energy, but in reaction turbine, a part of the pressure energy is converted to kinetic energy and rest remains as pressure energy. 8 number. What is gear ratio? It is the ratio of the number of revolutions of the pinion gear to one revolution of the idle gear. What is the difference between a machine and a mechanism? A mechanism consists of link forming a constrained kinetic energy. Its function is basically to transmit or modify motion. A machine is a mechanism, but here we are concerned with the force to be transmitted and it is used to modify mechanical work. 10 number question. On what factors the efficiency of pump depends? Efficiency of a pump depends on the size, speed and proportion of the impeller and catching. 11 number. What are the losses in a centrifugal pump? The losses in a centrifugal pump are friction losses due to eddies in flow, leakage, friction loss due to rotation of impeller in chamber of water, gland and bearing power losses. 12 number question. What is the difference between potential flow and creep flow? Potential flow assumes viscous force to be zero, but same is considered larger than inertia force in creep flow. 13 number question. What is factor of evaporation? It is the ratio of heat change from feed water to steam and the heat of vaporization of steam at atmospheric pressure. 14 number question. How cavitation causes damage? In a closed system, pipelines or pumps, water evaporates rapidly in regions where the pressure drops below the vapor pressure. This phenomenon is called cavitation. The vapor bubbles formed in cavitation usually collapse in a violent manner, which may cause considerable damage to the system. Number question. What should be done to avoid cavitation in pumps? In order to avoid cavitation, the suction lift and the operating. 16 number question. What is NPSH? NPSH, net positive suction head. It is the measure of minimum pressure which is required at the suction pipe to keep the pump free from cavitation. Number question. What is viscosity? What is Newton's law of viscosity? Viscosity is the property of the fluid which measures the resistance of the fluid to the gradual differentiation due to the shear stress. Newton's law of viscosity states that the shear stress on the fluid is proportional to the velocity gradient. Define fluid. A fluid is substance that can remain at rest under the action of any shear force. Define fluid flow. Displacement of any quantity from one place to another place in given the time, or the moments of particle is called fluid flow. Unit meter cube per hour. What is turbulent flow? The moments of individual particles of fluid are random and complex is called turbulent flow. What is the laminar flow? The moments of individual particles of fluid are parallel to pipe surface is called laminar flow. Define flow work. Flow work is the individual particles of fluid What is creep flow? It is flat at very low Reynolds number where viscous force are larger than the inertia force. What is the difference between steady and unsteady flow? In steady flow, the viscosity at a given point does not change with the time, whereas the unsteady flow it changes with time. Define surface tension. Surface tension of a liquid is the work that must be done to bring enough molecules from inside the liquid to the surface to form one new unit area of that surface. Its unit is Newton meter per meter square or Newton meter. তো দর্শক, এই ছিল আজকের আমাদের ভিডিও। আশা করি ভিডিওর কোশ্চেনগুলো আপনাদের অবশ্যই অনেক কাজে লাগবে। আশা করি ভিডিও থেকে আপনারা অনেক কিছু শিখতে পারছেন। যদি ভালো লাগে ভিডিওটি লাইক করবেন, শেয়ার করবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।